All right, welcome back. We're seeing everybody else opening up the top Stadium Club 2025s. So we thought we'd get ourselves a mega box. We also got ourselves two fat packs. That's one, and that's two. So I figure we'll go through the mega box first, see what we got. So I love the design on these. These are just sharp. So I got the Kumar Rocker, Del Amador, a couple good rookie cards to kick off. Leave them in their own stack. The Zach Wheeler card, so that's nice. Michael Harris with the aqua background. Looks like he's talking on the phone over there while he's laying on second base. Andrew Benedetti. Got Luis Arias. McCable, another rookie. And then we got the Christian Campbell rookie card. So a lot of rookies in there. So I do like these two, that's for sure. They're pretty nice. All right, going from the top, Freddie Freeman. So I'm start him off in the popular player. James Wood rookie card, good one. Pete Alonso, put him in the popular guys. The Savage Slugger, got Vladdy, so that looks like a specialty. And here, got the Ichiro. That's the sepia card, it looks like. Paul Skeens, throwing the football. Tamiyuki Sugano. And then we got the Giancarlo telling everybody to use their head. All right, next pile. Let's see where's where. All right, we got the Junior Caminero. He definitely goes in the popular pile. Johan Santana. I like it. Nolan Arenado. Those cards are sharp. We got the pool hosts on the throwback. couple former stars in there. Jackson Churio. Putting him in the popular pile. Mark McGuire. Matt Olson. And on the aqua, we've got Luis Acuna. So I'm going to set those aquas aside. I think they seem to be, check them for any numbers. It's just a 115. It doesn't look like there's anything too special about them. I do like the aqua background. It's standing out to me. All right, Dylan Cease. Kevin Alcantara. Sorry, Dylan, you go in the normal pile. That's the rookie pile. Jung Hoo Lee. And we've got the Savage Slugger. We've got Bobby Witt Jr. We've got a Nolan Ryan card. The Alex Bregman card. Marcus Semien. And the Miguel Cabrera. A lot of big names in these ones. All right, Connor Norby, rookie. Nick Kurtz, good card to get on the rookie card. Mike Piazza, okay, I like that one. Another sepia with Chipper Jones. Got the concentration card, got the Shota card. That'll be a specialty. Mr. Kim, rookie. Austin Ramirez, rookie. And Yamamoto, put him in the popular because he is Japanese. And the Japanese guys are always popular. That's for sure. All right, we got O'Neal Cruz. Put him down here with Jung Hoo. Shota again. Got ourselves a Dalton Rushing rookie card. Noah Shanuel. You never know Nolan's full name. Got ourselves another light blue. Got ourselves the Kyle Tucker, like that one. Ryan Harwood throwback. Evan Longoria. And Xavier Edwards. All right. Tomas Sagis, rookie. Riley Green. Really nice photo, though. That was a great photo. All right, we got George Kirby. Ken Griffey on the Aqua. That's a win. That's definitely a good card. Bobby Witt Jr. Nice. Not a lot of Max Muncy for the A's rookie card. Got ourselves a Kershaw. And Edgar Caro rookie card. Yeah, the feel of these and the look of these are really nice. So no denying why people think they're popular. Hunter Green. Got the Ben Williamson rookie card. The Biebs. Gleyber Torres. Francisco Alvarez on the blue. We got ourselves a Luis Severino. Jacob Wilson rookie card. Just saw one of those that got signed. And we got the Shohei card. Shohei is a win. Put Shohei right next to Kershaw. That's a good spot for those guys to be. Vientos. Logan Gilbert. I'll put the fairly commoner pile over here now. We got a Randy Azzarino. Nice card, though. Jacob deGrom on the Aqua. Justin Henry Malloy, rookie. Chase Petty, rookie. Jazz Chisholm. And another Michael Harris talking on the phone card. All right. Wyatt Langford. Ichiro. Throwback popular. Jackson Holiday. Put you over here. I think you're going to get good as long as you stay healthy. Concentration card with Verlander. Our rookies. Caden Dana. Schmookie. Trevor Hoffman on the throwback. And Kyle Manzardo. All right, Kyle. Some throwback action, some Jimmy Rollins. Big Poppy. Scherzer. And hit a few Hall of Famers right there. We've got ourselves a signature card. We've got ourselves a Jake Eater signature. All right, so I don't think we're going to mess around too much with that one. Taking a quick time out here to load him up. I like signature cards, those are fun. Stick you right in the back there where you belong. Move the fat packs out of the way. All right. Actually, we still have a few more here before we get into this next pile. Corbin Burns. Pete Crow Armstrong. Luis Roberts. And in case of emergency, Jackson Merrill will break the glass. So I'm calling those kind of the Aqua cards there. Rookie pile. All right. All right, continuing on, we got the Cam Smith rookie card. Ryan Zimmerman. Got the Cole Ragans. These just look sharp, though. They really do. Yordan Alvarez. In the blue, the aqua at least, we've got Yuri Perez. Like that aqua. We got Cal. Jordan Westberg. And Ellie De La Cruz. Bo Bichette. Paul Konerko. Wow, there's a throwback. Chase Utley. Yours for the taking. It's all yours, Corbin. Got ourselves a Zach Neto. The Joey Votto. I got it! And looks like a Spencer Schwellenbach. Thought he would have been a rookie. No, played in 2024. All right, so I'm going to stick you right in that pile there, buddy. Not quite there in the good pile yet. All right, Dylan Cruz, rookie. There's a good one. That's one we want. Okay, got some Juan Soto. He definitely goes in the big boy pile. Sonny Gray doesn't go in the big boy pile. Moises. It's a rookie card, but it's also in the aqua. I'm going to stick him over in the aqua pile. Adley Rushman. Trout. Nice halo. Definitely CGI'd that guy. Rookie. And Luis Gonzalez. Throwing back to the big hurt. Vlad. Christian Walker. All right. Ours for the taking. Brooks Lee, rookie. I'm going to make that a specialty. Corey Seager. Logan Evans, rookie. Logan Evans looks like he's about 40 here. Got the old dad bod working. Got the beer belly. Scooble. All right. We got a Josh Naylor card. The popular pile is definitely the bigger pile. Perez in the Hall of Fame someday. Ozzie Albies. Yeah, getting a little, been injured the last couple seasons. Logan Henderson, rookie. Devers in the Giants uniform. Yours for the taking, friends. That's Junior Caminero. All right. Yanier Diaz. One of the Diaz boys that's in there. Luke Keeschel, rookie. Oh, that's a great photo. Wow. And we got ourselves a Griffey Jr. card. I'm going to stick you over there, Griff. Put you in the stars pile, which you probably will command a lot. Chase Chung, rookie. Judge. Wiley Adams, however you want to say. Mason Wynn on the Aquafoil. You Darvish, I still give you some props. I put him in the good pile. Seiya Suzuki, he's almost good. Almost, but not quite. Kenzie Gore, nice. And Lawrence Butler. I'm going to put Lawrence Butler in the good pile. He's been coming on. All right, William Contreras, Keto, Sandy Alcantraz, just a decent. Oh. Case of emergency card. Break glass. That's Joey Votto. Got some Caleb Durbin. Anthony Santander. Nice card, though. Yelich. That's a terrible photo of him. And Braxton Ashcraft. It's a pretty cool photo, actually. I like that one. So that does it for your mega box. All right, heading into the fat packs. Starting out with Cam Smith and a rookie. Zimmerman, we've already seen. Cole Raggins, we've seen. Jordan Alvarez in the good pile. These are the pink foils that they warned us about. So there's Rooker. First pink. Michael King. And we got Chase Utley on the throwback. Nomar, nice. Senga. Chipper Jones on the throwback. We got Julio Rodriguez on the pink. So that's a cool card. Royce Lewis. Zach Gallen, good but not quite great yet. Freed, good, but a couple more seasons he'll be great. Kobe Mayo on the rookie card. Jackson Churio, I do like Jackson. Mark McGuire. Yep. Raise your hand if you want to do steroids. Matt Olson, decent but not great. Stanton, been around long enough to be great. Schwellenbach. Quan, we've already seen these guys. Joey Votto on the regular card. Neto. Randy. Yamamoto will probably be good in time. Augustin Ramirez on the rookie. Kim on the rookie. Jordan Alvarez. Savage Slugger. Stick you in the specialty pile. Ben Rice rookie card. Glad we got that one. Prince Fielder on the throwback. Honus Wagner on the throwback. Yeah, he's definitely thrown. Jackson Merrill. Put him in the good pile. Along with Holiday. Caro, rookie. Kirsch, we've seen him already. And Max Muncy on the rookie. All right, second fat pack. I don't know why they did the halo to Trout. I don't know why they did that. I don't know why they did him so dirty, but they did. All right, Adley Rushman. Might be good in time, but you're not there yet, bro. Jimmy Rollins. Okay. Big Pape, we've already seen. Scherzer, we've already seen. First of the pinks, O'Neill Cruz. Konerko, throwback. Utley again, throwback. Nomar. Senga. Jose Ramirez on the pink. That's a good card to have. Tatis on the pink. That's a good one to have too. Terang. I do like Bryce Terang. He was pretty handy in fantasy last year. Corbin Carroll. I think he'll be good. Royce Lewis. Not quite. Same with Zach Gallen. Not quite. Trevor Hoffman. Just looking chill. Mookie. Rookie. Jackson Churio. Francisco Lindor. Chandler Simpson rookie. Schwellenbach. Quan. We've seen like 3 Quans already. Sonny Gray. Bryce Harper. There you go. He's in the good pile. Alex Bregman. Good pile. I guess we'll throw the Nolan Ryan in the good pile. Merrill. Good. Michael Bush. Denzel Clark rookie. I like his stats. He might be good in time. Altuve. Johan Santana. Nolan Arenado. Pujols again. And our final one, Wyatt Langford. Okay, so that's it for your top stadium. These are sharp looking cards though. I definitely understand why people are getting into them. So they're definitely an upgrade over the other stuff we've been getting. The series, top series 1. These ones are way better. No doubt about it. The quality just look impressive.